Dashcams have a reputation for capturing the unexpected. We've all seen surprising, funny, or alarming dashcam footage on YouTube, after all. But they're not just for fun. In fact, for businesses that operate vehicles, dashcams are important tools. The purpose of a dashcam is simple: to film everything that happens on the road around your employees. They're compact cameras that can be attached to your front windscreen to film the road ahead, or rear windscreen to film the road behind. They continuously record video, which is saved to an SD card or uploaded to a cloud storage system, so you can access and watch it later. So, why would a business need to invest in dashcams? First off, they can play an important role in solving insurance claims. When an incident happens, your dashcam will capture it. This footage might prove who's at fault, ending the process quickly, and potentially helping you to avoid paying out as a result of a fraudulent claim. Dashcams can also encourage your employees to drive responsibly. When you have dashcams, you can hold your employees accountable for any unsafe driving behaviour, offering advice, training, or reprimands to those who need them. This means your employees are more likely to avoid risks and aggression, helping protect their safety and your team's reputation. Dashcams can also deter thieves from stealing your vehicles. No thief wants to be caught on camera, after all. And they can also help you save money on insurance, with lots of vehicle insurance companies offering discounts to businesses with dashcams installed. When choosing a dashcam model, there are a few things to look out for to make sure you pick the best devices for your team. Ideally, you want a camera that has the widest angle lens, the biggest storage space, and the highest quality video within the confines of your budget. You should also decide whether you want any special features, such as a G-sensor that flags incidents, a GPS tracking functionality, or a parking mode that keeps the camera rolling while your ignition's off. So, how much do dashcams cost? The cheapest, most basic cams start from around £15 each, while more feature-rich options start at £50, and totally high-spec devices can set you back hundreds of pounds. Rather than going off the shelf, you could sign up to a commercial dashcam service, for which you'll pay a monthly subscription fee. If you're interested in dashcams, explore our guides, comparisons and reviews to learn more and find the right devices for you.